Hi friends, do you know what is inheritance in Python? First, let us understand why we need inheritance. So, suppose I have created one iPhone class and it has lots of methods, but here I have just shown two methods. So, I have a requirement to create another class iPhone 15, but it has same functionality as iPhone class. Then instead of writing code again, what I can do, I can just inherit this iPhone class in iPhone 15. So for inheriting, we have to just pass the class name in a parenthesis. And in this way, I can create iPhone 15 class which has same functionality, but I no need to write code again. So for code reusability, we will use inheritance. But suppose I have to create another iPhone 15 Pro class which has some extra functionality in camera. So in that case also, we will inherit a basic functionality from class iPhone, and we can inherit that method camera using super uh, function, and then we can add some extra additional functionality for camera method. So for if you want to extend code also, then also we can use inheritance. So these are two main uses for inheritance: code reusability and code extendability. Thank you.